Over the past few years, AI has become a major point of discussion thanks to the general public finally getting to experience AI via platforms like ChatGPT. This also sparked debates about whether or not AI will take over certain jobs. While that's something only time will tell, here's how you can leverage AI to make certain tasks easier using OpenAI's ChatGPT. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Let's get started. Click the link in the description to access the OpenAI website. You need to first create an account or sign in via Google. Using your Google account will be faster and more seamless. Once logged in, you will be able to use ChatGPT 3.5 by default without having to pay anything. The ChatGPT 3.5 model allows users to have unlimited conversations with the chatbot, but the response time is a bit slower when compared to the GPT 4.0 model. Speaking of which, for users who are going to rely on ChatGPT on a daily basis, it might be worth subscribing to ChatGPT Plus. This $20 per month subscription grants users access to GPT-4 model, which according to the company is the most capable AI model they have currently. Therefore, you can expect to see better and more helpful responses compared to the GPT 3.5 model. With ChatGPT Plus, users also get faster responses and exclusive access to beta features like browsing, plugins, and advanced data analysis. GPT-4, however, currently has a cap of 25 messages every 3 hours, so use it wisely. Using ChatGPT is quite simple. You need to input your query into the send a message bar at the bottom and wait for a response. Your questions can range from something as simple as who was the first president of the United States of America to a question on how to solve a complex mathematical equation. ChatGPT will provide the answer along with the steps on how it came to the conclusion. ChatGPT provides an interactive and personalized user experience. It can draw on previous conversations to understand the context and generate relevant responses. This makes communication more natural and optimizes the user experience. The chatbot can even help you create scripts once you enter the topic. ChatGPT is a great tool and it helps enormously in many areas. However, it is important to pay attention to the quality of content generated and ensure that it is reliable. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so don't forget to follow us for more. Thank you for watching.